Hello everyone, I'm Andrea and today I'm here in Tanzerei Flugfisch and I'm going to do with you a dance workout. So first we're going to start moving our bodies, we're going to articulate and move. And then we're going to do a little bit of strength training, not so hard, and at the end we're going to do some stretching. So if you have a mat at home, please just have it with you and we'll use it for some of the exercises at the end. So let's start moving and dancing. Hey. So we start in parallel position, we feel our body, we breathe. We bring our arms up, breathe in and breathe out. One last time, knees down, arms up and down. Now a little bit bigger. 1. And exhale. We keep here and we just move the head from side to side. And we do a big circle in 4 counts. To the other side. 1, 2, 3. And to the other side. Slow. Again, with a little bit of shoulder. And circle. 2, 3, 4. Other side. Sure. And it's getting bigger now. So let's go a little bit bigger with the upper body. And circle. Always remember to have your knees bent. And side. Just shoulder up, rolling down. Up, rolling down. Up, rolling down. Up. Yes, we go 1. 8, forward. 8, forward. 8, forward. We just go side, 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 8. We're getting our legs a little wider, and now just one arm opposite. 8. Other side, here we go. We're trying to start moving our body more every time. We go up. Last time, with the other hand, reach out. Last time we just breathe really big. And exhale. Bend and we just go from side to side, step. 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 With the little arm going back. 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 Again, a little bit bigger. Hey. 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 Oh. Good. Now knee up. And I just do knee up and 3 steps. And Alvergue. With arm back again. Back. Be careful with your shoulder. Be gentle to your body. The same but forward with your arm. We start feeling our heartbeat going faster. That's always good. One last time with the knee, but this time we do a circle. We go back. We go one way, the other. We breathe and we release tension in our hips. One side, up. Okay. Arms goes to the side, up and down. And we start releasing our backs. We just go, our backs go in a way, going forward and back. Forward, back. Forward, back. Forward. Yeah, that's right. Forward, back, forward. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. Forward, back. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Forward, back. Hey. 1, 2, 3, 4. Forward, back. 1. Again to the other side. Forward and come back. Forward, back. And breathe. Always breathe. Great. We start at the beginning again. But this time, leg up. At the end. With arms going back. 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 Arms going forward. Oh. Oh. Forward. Last time. Lead with the arms. 8. 8. 8. Just back. 2, 3, 4. Back. 2, 3, 4. Back. 2, 3, 4. Back. 2. Both arms going back. 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 Sorry, that was front. Back. Now front. 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 Good, great. We just go in one more time. Circle one side. Last time to the other side. Go. Great, done. Whew. Very well. Super good. We open our legs. Now we go to one side, towards the right. We go down. Make sure your knee is in a straight angle, perpendicular to the floor. And we just hold it there. We bend our knee and stretch. We bend, you can be over here on the floor or you can be here, depending, that's okay. But try to maintain the same level and stretch. Just bend the knee back and stretch. Great, arms forward. Now I try to do a spiral. Try to reach my back hand, my right back hand. My heel is going all the way down, all the way to the back wall. And I come forward. I'm just breathing in front, turning out, and do a little bit of bounce in my second position. Big second position. Just bouncing there, working my legs, feeling my center going up. Great. Now we'll just go right, down, right, down. We stay here and we breathe, working those legs. Eight. Oh. 8. Oh, 2 more times. That's great. Good. Parallel. We go up. Opposite, stretch. Opposite, stretch. Opposite. Going all the way to your spiral, your opposite leg. Last time. That's great. Everything to the other side. First knee. Stretch. Knee. Stretch. Knee. Stretch. Knee. Stretch. Knee. Stretch. Knee. Stretch. Here we bring our arms up. And we turn to the other side. Spiral. times. 2, 3, 4. We stretch. We do the last one spiraling. 3, 4. 4 more without music. Let's do it. A, oh, oh, a, oh, a, hey. Great. Very well done. Now we bring our mats forward. If you have one at home, great. If not, a towel can work. Now we start to the other side, and we start in a plank position, and we're just gonna go towards the back, hips towards the ceiling. On my downward dog, again, front to my plank. And this I will repeat 4 times. So here we go. 1, 2, again, to my plank. Back, to my plank. Back, to my plank. Back. Now I will add a push-up. So push-up, up, and back, front, again, push-up. Up, back, 2 more to go. We can do this. A, push up, back, front. Last time. Hey, push up, back. We stay in the plank and we go opposite shoulder, elbow, and knee. 2. The last one, we bring it up. Again, 1, 2. The third one, we bring it up. Change legs. Opposite, knee to elbow. 3. Hey, 1, 2, 3. Great. We bring it down. Stretch. We come to sitting position and we roll down slowly. We come up in our pelvis. 1, balance, coccyx balance. 3, 4, we hold there. From here we stretch our legs. Be sure to have your back straight, shoulder down. And we come back again. And we go down. Slow. Great. We just go a little bit faster now. 2 counts for each. 2 and down. Again, without touching the floor, if possible. And down. And up. Up. Bend and down. Breathing all the time. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale and exhale to go down. That was great. We come into a sitting position. We're gonna do a last bit of stretch before we just stretch our hands forward with our back. We bring it back. Open our chest, open our shoulders, and we breathe. Bring our arms forward, 1 leg forward. And we try to reach with our back foot, same leg, hand and leg. If you don't have a mat at home, be sure to have a towel underneath your knee so it's not so painful. The idea is not to feel any pain on the knee, so you can have it a little forward if you're starting to feel that your knee's hurting. And we bring it back, just straight, hips go back and up, and we go forward. So front, we open if we can. We go in the middle, towards the other side, gently, and we go to the other side. Again, I reach my back leg with the same hand. If you can go deeper, go deeper. This is all I have for now. We breathe, feel our thighs. Forward, hips. We're flexing our front foot and trying to reach forward. Our back is straight. Again, we go forward in our lunge position to the center. This time we stay in the center and we just close the legs little by little. We finish in parallel position and we just bend the knees and we go from one side to the other, releasing the back tension. We just go from one side to the other, breathing. Till you're standing, and we reach up and we feel the difference in our body. It feels stronger, it feels longer, it feels better, it feels warmer for sure. I'm a little bit sweating. I hope you guys are sweating at home with me. We bring our legs together, one knee up, and we bring the other knee up. Breathe and close. Thank you all for joining me today for this workout. I hope you guys had a good time and I hope to see you soon, hopefully in the studio. So, diesem nächsten Mal. Besos.